Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to connect credit card to Facebook ads. Let's begin. So, first things first, make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. And this is, given that you own already a Facebook page, can be your business page, and then you've already set up your Facebook ads. So I will show you how to connect your credit card. When you go to the upper right portion of the page where it has like a small thumbnail or photo that you have for your account. If you click on that, and then it will give you a drop down, go to settings and privacy. Click on settings, and it will lead you to this page. So once you're here in general account settings, if you check the left portion or left side of the page, there's an option there that says ads payments. If you click on ads payments, it would lead you here. So for ads payments, this is where you could, have the payment settings. You could check your current balance. You could check your ad payment method and then payment activity. So say if you already have existing ads, you would be able to see that here. And then business info. So you can either edit your currency here, which I've also taught you in another video tutorial. So today we are going to show you how to connect a credit card. Click on add payment method and it would lead you to this page. So this is where you would add payment information. You put your location here, currency, and then time zone. You hit on next. You would be given this page wherein another pop-up window would show that you can put the different payment methods of your choice. So basically, Facebook ads would receive, debit or credit card, either Visa or MasterCard, Amex, and you can also do PayPal. You can do GCash or Pay My Wallet. In other countries, there would also be e-wallet that are given as options there. So in this case, it's based on the Philippines, so that's why we have GCash in there. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.